Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a crypto magnet to your wallet. A crypto magnet is essentially a special link that helps your wallet understand what action to take, like initiating a transaction or connecting to a decentralized application. This connection is crucial for securely interacting with various crypto services and managing your digital assets efficiently. We'll cover the entire process step by step. Before we dive into the connection, let's ensure you're prepared. First, confirm your crypto wallet is fully installed and updated. This prevents compatibility issues. Next, have the exact crypto magnet link copied or easily accessible. This link is vital for the connection. Finally, a stable internet connection is paramount for a seamless and secure interaction between your wallet and the magnet link. Now let's connect. Begin by carefully copying the crypto magnet link. Then, open your preferred crypto wallet application. Look for a Connect, Browser, or D-App section within your wallet. Paste the copied magnet link into this area. Your wallet will then prompt you to review and approve the connection. Always read these prompts carefully before confirming to ensure security. To ensure a smooth experience, always verify the source of any magnet link before connecting. This is crucial for security. Use only well-known and trusted crypto wallets that offer robust protection. After completing your tasks, remember to disconnect your wallet from any connected services. Regularly clearing your wallet's cache can also help maintain optimal performance and prevent potential issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.